Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most exciting innovations in the world of recreational vehicles. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most luxurious and powerful motorhomes on the market, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Unlike traditional RVs, this model offers a unique blend of rugged capability combined with the opulence expected from high-end motor coaches. Let's get started. The first thing that stands out about the Kenworth W900 is its unmistakable classic look. The long-nosed design isn't just for aesthetic appeal, it adds to the aerodynamics and driving performance of this behemoth. With a fiberglass shell for the cab and a durable aluminum exterior, the 2026 model has been engineered to endure whatever Mother Nature throws its way while ensuring a lightweight yet durable build. Kenworth understands that personalization is key, so for 2026, you can choose from an array of colors and finishes, from sleek silver metallics to bold deep blues and classic reds. Each motorhome offers customizable graphics that reflect your personality, alongside state-of-the-art LED lighting wrapped around the chassis, creating an inviting ambiance after sunset. Under the hood, drivers will be thrilled to find the robust PACCAR MX-13 engine, which boasts a stunning 565 horsepower and a torque rating of 1,850 pound-feet. This powerful engine not only provides ample power for towing but also ensures a smooth performance on all terrains, whether the road is a flat freeway, winding mountain pass, or off the beaten path. Now, let's talk about the driver's experience. The cockpit of the W900 is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The ergonomic driver's seat is fully adjustable and heated for long journeys. A multifunction display sits right in the driver's line of sight, featuring navigation, performance statistics, and safety alerts. The dual-zone climate control keeps the cabin temperature just the way you like it, and sound-deadening materials ensure that you won't hear the highway's roar, making your ride extremely pleasant. Stepping inside the motorhome, you are immediately welcomed by an expansive living space that seamlessly blends luxury with practicality. The interior features high ceilings, with a meticulous design aesthetic, utilizing natural materials that create an inviting atmosphere. Warm hardwood floors contrast beautifully with plush upholstery. Eyebrow lighting highlights the sophisticated cabinetry, and large windows allow for breathtaking views and an abundance of natural light. The living area is designed to be both functional and plush. The spacious sectional sofa converts into a comfy bed for guests, and the entertainment center is equipped with a state-of-the-art flat-screen TV and surround sound system, ensuring that whether you're watching a movie or listening to your favorite playlist, the experience is immersive. As we move towards the kitchen, you'll notice that it's a chef's dream. Fitted with high-end appliances, including a large refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a 3-burner induction cooktop, preparing meals on the road has never been easier. The solid surface countertops provide plenty of prep space, while the mosaic backsplash adds a touch of elegance. Moving into the bedroom, the W900 surprises with its spacious and decadent design. The king-sized bed promises a restful night's sleep, flanked by nightstands with charging ports for all your devices. You have your own personal television and ample storage, including a walk-in closet with an innovative organization system. And don't forget about the bathroom. The design team has ensured that even the bathroom feels like a spa retreat. With a full-size shower, a modern sink, and important amenities such as porcelain toilets and upscale fixtures throughout, it's both functional and comfortable. One of the standout features of the 2026 Kenworth W900 is its innovative smart technology. Included in the package is a comprehensive smart home system that allows you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment options via a touchscreen interface. It also connects with portable devices, so you can monitor your motorhome even from outside. This motorhome is not just about luxury, it's about the entire experience. With full hookups for water, sewage, and electric, you can set up virtually anywhere. The extensive battery bank and solar panel system allow for off-grid camping, perfect for those adventurous souls wanting to immerse themselves in nature without sacrificing comfort. Safety is paramount in this vehicle, and the W900 is equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are all included, helping to ensure you arrive at your destination safely. Whether you're navigating a bustling city or cruising along a serene back road, the handling and ride quality of the Kenworth W900 are impressive. The adaptive air suspension system adjusts to load and road conditions, providing superior comfort and stability without compromising performance. I have to say, the W900 has transformed the way my family travels. The comfort and spaciousness make long trips enjoyable rather than tedious. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it embodies freedom, luxury, and adventure. It's engineered to meet the needs of those who seek both the comforts of home and the thrill of the open road, all meticulously wrapped in one beautiful package. If you loved what you saw today and are as excited about the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome as we are, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments where you would take this incredible motorhome on your next adventure. Until next time, happy travels.